This is my cat, Loki. Hi, girl. I already did a video of Carly, so I'm just catching up with these two. If you remember, I had a video up of Gaia coming to the critter room. She's been long gone, and so have the Hurricane Fosters. They all got out. She was sitting on that chair, and I was just saying about that. I got a lot of comments saying nice cat or whatever, but some idiot decides to dislike it. I hate when people do that. I already had to delete 2 uploads, one having the most dislikes out of all of them. Actually, a couple. I don't know why, but I only have the coming soon video left of the UMMT. I still have the box that it came in, which is good because I can do another unboxing video, which was kind of dumb. But look at Loki. Oh my God, she's so cute. She's a Siamese. Felix is a... No, you're not. You're not attacking her. That's his new thing.
Hey, don't eat your Where's your cup?
I don't know.
It's in the refrigerator.
Aww. What? What are you doing? Let's see what she's doing. She loves to eat this cat.
Let's go.
There's me in the mirror. Hello, kitty kitty. You want to take a sun bath, don't you, girl? I remember the time she rolled in sawdust.
I found it.
Hello, little kitty kitty.
Come on, go eat.
I'm patting right there, right by the tail.